Hello, I'm Dr. Pena and this is Dr. Ibarra. Today we will be completing an experimental surgery on a rat. The rat is a complex mammal that has many structures similar to our own.
The type of rat we will be dissecting is referred to as a Rattus norvegicus, more commonly known as a brown rat. These mammals typically live underground and feast on scraps. They can grow up to 48 centimeters long and typically weigh between 150 and 500 grams. Humans actually share about 99% of their DNA with rats.
So now here's gonna be posterior of the rat, the backside, which is gonna be the dorsal, the ventral side, and right there is gonna be the anterior. We're going to start with some of the external anatomy of a rat. Here on the ears we have the pinna, which are folds in the ear that direct sound waves in the ear canal. Next we have the vibrissae, which are sensory hairs on the snout, upper eyelid, cheek, and chin.
If we flip the rat over, you can see the mammary glands or nipples. These nourish the rat's offspring. You can determine the sex of the rat externally by checking for its testes. So first, I'm going to make an incision on the ventral side of the rat and will pin down the skin. The first things you are going to be able to see immediately are the thoracic and abdominal areas.
These two areas are separated by the diaphragm. The abdominal area contains the digestive, excretory, and reproductive organs. The thoracic area contains the heart, which pumps blood, and lungs, which distribute oxygen throughout the body.
The circulatory system has three major roles in the body: excretion, respiration, and nutrition. This system transports waste. This system carries oxygen throughout the body and distributes nutrients.
The respiratory system is a series of organs responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. The lungs, nostrils, pharynx, trachea, and bronchi are what makes up the system. The respiratory system and the circulatory system works together by putting oxygen into the blood to be distributed. Abdominal area includes the liver, which produces bile and breaks down fat. Stomach, which digests food. Intestines, which absorbs nutrients and removes water. Kidneys excrete waste, filters blood, and removes urine.
Lastly, hidden behind the intestines, we have the bladder, which stores urine before it exits the body.
The digestive system starts in the mouth. Food is digested in the system and nutrients are delivered to the rest of the body. The digestive system works with the circulatory system to get nutrients through the body.
You can determine the sex of the rat internally by checking for vesicular glands and testes on a male and horns and fat tissue on a female.
This concludes our operation. Thank you for watching.